Ever wondered why maintaining a healthy lifestyle and a slim figure is so crucial in today's world? Well, it's not just about looking good. Regular exercise can significantly improve your overall health, giving you a mood lift and an energy boost. It also serves as a protective shield, preventing various health conditions from heart disease to mental health disorders. By investing a little time each day, you can achieve a healthier lifestyle and a slim figure. Ready to get started? Now, let's dive into a step-by-step exercise guide that can help you achieve your fitness goals. First, we'll start with jumping jacks, a wonderful exercise to get your heart pumping and your body warmed up. Stand straight with your feet together and hands at your sides. Jump while spreading your legs shoulder-width apart and simultaneously bringing your hands above your head. Then, jump again to return to your starting position. This exercise is great for improving cardiovascular health and enhancing agility. Next, we move on to squats, a fantastic strength training exercise. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, extend your hands forward, and lower your body as if you're going to sit on a chair. Your thighs should be parallel to the floor and your knees should not extend past your toes. Push back up to a standing position. Squats are excellent for working your lower body, improving leg muscles, and boosting overall body strength. Our third exercise is lunges, another powerful lower body workout. Stand straight with your hands on your hips. Step forward with one foot and lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle and your back knee is hovering above the floor. Push back up and repeat with the other foot. Lunges can enhance your balance, flexibility, and coordination, while also sculpting your legs and glutes. Let's not forget push-ups, a universal exercise that works multiple muscle groups at once. Start in a high plank position with your hands directly below your shoulders. Lower your body until your chest is nearly touching the floor. Then push your body back up. Push-ups can strengthen your upper body and core and increase functional strength. Lastly, we have planks, a fantastic core exercise. Get into a forearm plank position with your elbows under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position as long as you can. Planks can help improve your posture, balance, and overall core strength. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to exercising. Make these exercises a part of your daily routine and you'll see noticeable improvements in your health and figure. So, what have we learned today? We've underscored the significance of a healthy lifestyle and maintaining a slim figure. We've also discovered a variety of exercises that can help you reach these goals. Keep in mind that consistency is key, and making healthier choices daily can make a world of difference. It's more than just about looks. It's about feeling good and taking care of your body. Keep moving, keep pushing, and remember, your health is your wealth. Until next time, stay fit and stay healthy.